Hello everybody and welcome back to the Waro & Co channel. Now today I've got a maths video for you, and today's maths video is based on this really long word here. Now we might not be able to sound that out together, but I do know it starts with and ends with this digraph here, the digraph. And it's the word measuring. And we're going to do some measuring today. We're going to measure different things, and later on I'm going to be setting you some challenges to see if you can do some measuring yourself. So let's begin. Okay, so I've got two animals on my screen. I've got this animal here. What animal is that? That's a dog. Well done. And this animal here with a really long neck. That's a giraffe. So we've got a dog and a giraffe. And my question for you is, which is shorter? Which is shorter? Well, we know the giraffe's got a really long neck. And we know that this dog is quite small. But do you know what the word shorter is? Now, some of you might know straight away which one it is, and well done. But other of you might have a think about it, which is shorter. And you could say, you could use the word smaller to describe shorter. Which is smaller? Do you know? Is it the giraffe? No. Is it the dog? Yeah, good work. So I'm going to press on my dog. Mouse. Correct, we got it. Well done, guys. Now the next question we're going to face is, we've got two different creatures here. We've got this here, which is like a mini beast. I think that might be like a caterpillar. And then we've got this creature here, which is a snake. But the question now is, which is longer? Now you might know which one's longer because you might know what the word longer means, but if not, longer means if we stretched it out, which is the greatest distance from one end to the other. So I think that the caterpillar's longer. Am I right? Is the caterpillar really long or is it really short? What do you think? Well done if you said it was the snake. So let's press that. We got it right with the snake. Now this time I haven't got any animals or creatures, have I? I've got what looks like a house of some sort and a tower from a castle. Tower. And the question is, which is taller? Think of another word for taller. Does taller mean that? Or does taller mean that? I think it means that. So which one is closer to the sky? Which one is taller? Which one's closer to the sky? I think it's the castle. What do you think? Let's see if the castle's right. It's correct. Well done. Now let's find out what our next question is. Okay. So we've got a pencil and a crayon. And the question is, which is the longest? Which is the longest? Now if we put them next to each other, imagine we have them there. Now that starts there, but if we move that there, which one is longer? I think it's the pencil. Do you think the pencil's longer? Which one does it take my finger the most time to go across? Let's try the pencil. Are we right again? Oh! Silly Mr. Walcott didn't click on what he was meant to click on. Correct, it was the pencil. So the pencil was longer and the crayon was shorter. Now we've got two people, two children. And the question is, who is the shortest? Who is the shortest? I think this girl here is the shortest. Shall we try and see if that's right? Oh no, it says try again. I got it wrong. Let's get back to our PowerPoint. So if it's not her, she must be taller. So she is taller than her. So this girl here is shorter. Good job. Okay, now we're going to measure some things now using some blocks, imaginary blocks, because it's easy enough for us to look at something and go, which one is taller or shorter or longer? But sometimes we need to measure them, and that might help us find out which one is shorter or taller. So, the first question here is, how many squares tall is the tree? So we've got our tree here, it looks very tall, but how tall is it? Well, I need your help to count all these blocks to find out. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the number after 7? 8. It's the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that tall is 8. Can you show me 8 fingers? 8 squares. These are squares, aren't they? Because they have 4 sides, all of the same length. Tall. That tree is 8 squares tall. Good job. Oh, now we've got a super slithery snake. But this time our squares are going this way because we have to measure how long it is. So can you help me count the squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9. We're getting some big numbers here. 10, 11. Does anyone know what number comes after 11? It's 12. So this super slithery snake is 12. So we need 10 and then 2 more to make 12. Okay. Now we've got a giraffe. It's very tall. But I'm gonna need your help, to count just how tall this giraffe is. So we're ready to count these squares. So we need to find out how many squares tall is the giraffe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show me 10 fingers, everyone. 10. And this giraffe is 10 squares tall. Well done. Now, I've got my first challenge for you now. You might like to pause the video and have a go at this one, or you can wait to the end when I've told you all the challenges and have a go at doing them all at the end. So this is, can we find out which is longer? Is it the window or the table? Now wherever you are, I'm hoping there's a window and there's a table. If there's not a table or a window, you could find something else to use, such as a chair, or if you have a sofa or a cupboard. But find 2 items in your house that you could measure. Now you need to think what you could measure them with. Do you have any blocks you could use? Any Lego? Could you use your toys and count how many toys long it is? Up to you. You've got to decide what you're going to measure those things with. Good luck. Okay. Now here's the next challenge. This is, how many steps does it take you to reach the door? Now, I need you to measure how many steps it takes you to reach your door. Now that could be the door of the room that you are in, or it could be your front door, or it could be any door of your choice, or maybe you could measure how many steps it takes you to get to each door, so you can work out which door is the furthest away, which is the longest door for you to get to. So have a set. You can pause the video now, you can wait till the end to have a go at all of these. It's up to you. And the final challenge involves Play-Doh. Now if you have some Play-Doh, I want you to see if you can make a really long snake. See how long you can make it. Can you make another snake that is shorter? So I want you to make a really long snake, but a really short snake as well. And then my last challenge is, can you make 2 snakes that are the same length, the same, equal? So they both need to be the same number of blocks long if you were going to measure it with blocks. Now, you might not have Play-Doh, and that's fine. I don't have any Play-Doh where I am. So what you could do is, I'm hoping you might have some toys available or some pencils. And if you've got toys or pencils, you could line them up and you could make a snake out of all of your toys and make a really long snake out of toys and make a really short one and then make one the same. You could use colouring pencils to do that as well. Or if you've got a piece of paper or whiteboard, you could just draw a really long snake and draw a really short snake and then try and draw a snake the same length. So, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something new. And I can't wait to see how you get on with my challenges. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.